What's going on, everybody? What's going on? I'm your host, Matt Saloon Drinks. Welcome to another fun, awesome episode. Got my hands on something here. I'm very excited to share with you guys because it's not what you think, you perverts. I know there's some of you out there like, oh, I know what you got your hand on. No, I do not. But I got my hands on something else. And I can't wait to share this with you guys. I'm trying to build up this anticipation for you guys because when I saw this, I was like, ooh, this looks very fun to share with you all. So, without further ado, let's get on with this fun, awesome review of Knob Creek. Not just any Knob Creek. This is Knob Creek Smoked Maple. We are looking at 90 proof. The original Knob Creek small batch smoked maple, crafted in superior taste and smoothness from Claremont, Kentucky. I'm super excited about this. So let's go on with the taste and the notes. Here is the specs of the smoke and maple Knob Creek for you guys. Right here it is. You're all welcome. Now I want to share with you guys what I'm tasting and what I'm getting on my palate when I'm smelling. So let's open up this bad boy. Oh, God, I love. Oh, yes. All right. You know what time it is? Hammer time. No, sorry. I'm getting a little bit having a little fun. Cork test time. Oh, okay. Cork test time. Get the cork a little wet. Oh, wow. That was a 9. That was a 9 cork pop right there. Okay, yes. That was a 9 for sure. Super excited. Okay, let's get the pour going. Ho, 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 ho. I love the collar. The rich amber collar. Okay. Maple. Oh my God. Maple syrup right off the bat. Vanilla note there. Vanilli on the deli. Sorry, I'll stop. Or caramel. And I smell a little bit of smoke flavor there. Okay, let's go with the taste. Maple smoke, barrels flavor there. Vanilla, caramel, or toffee. Not spiced at all. No hard spice. Wow. 2 thumbs up for this one. I'm super excited to share with this guy. I mean, this. They nailed it. Knob Creek nailed that. That's good. That's really good. If y'all want like a smoked mapled bourbon, get your hands on this one. That's really good. Oh my God. Wow. Those flavors are smoke and maple all together. Wow. Wow. That's all I can say. That's amazing. Okay. So, let's do a little bit of cocktail with this bad boy. Let's have a little fun with it, shall we? But before cocktail time, I might have a joke or two for you guys. If you're good enough, if you're been good, if you're good enough, if you're excited enough to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, write a comment, tell all your friends and family about me. I'll really appreciate it. Helps out me. So, joke time, cocktail. Joke time. This one's a little long-winded, so we're just going to do this joke. I picked this out, so it's going to be pretty funny, I hope, for you guys. Okay. Seeing Eye Dog is the name of this joke. Man goes into the bar with his dog and goes up to the bar and he asks for a drink. The bartender says, "You can't bring the dog in here." The guy without hesitation says, "This is my seeing eye dog." The bartender says, "Oh man, I'm sorry. First drink's on me." Man takes his drink and goes to a table near the door. Another guy walks into the bar with a chihuahua. Little chihuahua. That's funny. The first guy sees him, stops him, and says, "You can't bring that dog in here unless you tell me it's a seeing eye dog." The second man graciously thanks the first man for the information and continues to the bar and asks for a drink. Predictably, the bartender says, "Hey, you can't bring the dog in here." The second man replies, "But it's my seeing eye dog." The bartender immediately replies, "No, I don't think so. They don't use chihuahuas as seeing eye dogs." Bartender immediately, okay. The man paused for a half a second and then replies, "What? They gave me a chihuahua?" Alright, end of jokes there. That was a good one. Little dog, seeing eye dog joke. I love it. That was funny. That was a good one. Alright, let's have a fun time making a cocktail with this Knob Creek smoked maple bourbon. Let's have some fun. Let's do this. Cocktail time. Have a little fun with this. Got our Knob Creek smoked maple, some Carta Mom bitters, Kahlua, and I just picked this up at Ollie's of all places. Sugar-free hazelnut flavoring cream syrup. So, we're gonna have a little fun. I get this ice shaker. There we go. We need here we go, jigger. We're gonna do 1 ounce of hazel sugar-free syrup. Boom. 1 ounce of Kahlua. Bingo. Get the rest of that. There we go. There we go. Get the rest of that. And 2 ounces of smoked maple bourbon. God, I can't. This is going to be so good. This is going to be so much fun. All right. God, that's such a good cork. Still such a good cork. 2 ounces coming at you. Right to the rim. Careful. Boom. Cardamom bitters. Now, there's four to six drops right there. Okay. We're not done. Move this stuff a little bit out of the way, just a little bit out of the way. Get a little bit more room. Get a little bit more room. Gotta organize. We're gonna smoke this bad boy, but we're gonna have a little different fun. I've been doing this a couple times off camera. I don't know why I haven't been doing this sooner. I'm gonna smoke it in the shaker and shake it in the smoke. It's phenomenal. So, light it up, smoke it up. Get the smoke getting up in that shaker, like so. Get the most smoke we can get in there. Oh yeah, look at that, I like it. I'm using hickory smoke chips. Okay. Hold this nice and tight. See that? See the smoke in there? Oh yeah. Get it, shaky, 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 shaky. All right. Oh boy, oh boy. Special ice cube time. It's got Hershey Kiss in it. Because, you know, why not? Alright. Look at that nice, dark, and rich cocktail. Smoke a cocktail. Oh my God. Smoke a cocktail is really good. Awesome cocktail. Awesome, 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 awesome. So awesome. Here at the end of this video, I'm gonna make this cocktail again. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna pair this Knob Creek smoked maple with a cigar. But not just with any cigar. I picked this up today. I think these two are going to go very well together. So see you outside here in a few minutes for you guys. See you guys here in a minute. Woo, we're outside now. Okay, so got this beautiful cigar called Partagas cigar. Black label. So if you guys know anything that much about this cigar, put in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you guys. Thank you so much. Got the Knob Creek smoked maple. We're going to pair these two together. Love the two. Oh, that's dark. Look at that. All right. Here we go. It's so cool. I don't need that. I thought it was going to be cold, but it's not that cold. All right. We got this cigar, this bourbon. I can't wait. I can't wait for this. This is so exciting. All right. All right. Let's do the cut. My favorite cut, the V cut. That's a good cut. Focus, focus. There you go. Focus. Yeah. Ooh, dark and rich notes there. Mild notes. Okay. Let's light up the cedar strip. I love lighting my cigars with a cedar strip like this. Actually, let's do something first. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? I'm not thinking. That's a problem. Oh, such a good cork. Such a good cork pop. right. Oh, yes. It smells so good. Okay, we're going to do this first, though. We're going to... We're going to paint the cigar with the bourbon. Because it's the best thing ever. Yes, it is. Best thing ever is painting your cigar with a cedar stick. With whatever your fancy is, whatever your liquor is, whatever your beer is, whatever your wine, whatever it is. Oh, yeah. Look at that. So nice. Okay. Smells so good. All right. Let's help this light up faster and stay. Oh, yes. Flor de Diablos since 1845. Focus, 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 focus. There you go. Such an awesome cigar. Good rich notes. Here is the specs of this cigar right here. You're all welcome. Nice, deep, rich, dark, earthy notes there. The burn is good. The draw is good. Flavors are good. Flavors are real good. Let's go with the Knob Creek smoked maple. Okay. These two go very well together. They taste very good. These dark earthy notes with the smoked maple Knob Creek. Perfect for tonight. Perfect. Oh my God, it's such a good cigar. For you people out there that enjoy cigars, enjoy your bourbons, enjoy your whiskeys and liquors, tequila, vodka, champagne, wines, beers. Cheers to you guys. Y'all that watch my videos, thank you so much. Thank you for enjoying these videos. I appreciate it so much, more than you would ever know. Because I put some time and effort in these videos. It might not look like it, but I do. I really do. So, cheers to y'all. I love y'all. And I'll see y'all next time.